Hello, hello, beautiful peoples! Hi, guys! So, eto, try natin dito. Dyan ka. Premnum, pinatum, reversed, speckled. Ang laki ng dahon. Mag-enjoy ka dyan, baby. Lipat natin yung ibang 5. Pa isa-isa rin ilalagay. O, diba? Wala akong sinasaktang cati. Okay, lahat ng caterpillars na exposed, nilalagay natin sa hidden place. Baka yung iba ilagay ko sa secret, sa pandakaki din mismo, but not here. Not inside, maybe outside. Mag-enjoy ka dyan. O, diba rare plant po ito? Reverse speckle. Epipremnum pinatum. So, na-achieve na niya yung giant form niya, o, diba? Isama yung golden pothos. Yan. Wait, i-post natin, ha? Alright, as you can see, nandito pa yung 5. They're all okay. It's 5 p.m. in the afternoon. So, kanina umaga yon, mga 9:00 ko yun na video. So, until now, gising pa rin sila, diba? Buhay na buhay and moving. Yan. Gently lang. Oh, sige, halika dito. Gently lang kasi mag-aano yun sila magre-react. Come, come, come. I won't hurt you. Lipat lang tayong place. Ganito na lang. Ayaw mo pahawak. Ayaw pahawak. O, diretso lipat. Magsitago kayo, ha. Make sure nakatago talaga kayo ng bongga para hindi kayo makita. Kasi transfer ko na kayo sa safe place. So, kailangan yung mabuhay para makakita ulit tayo ng beautiful butterflies. Nasa ano na to? Almost matured. Oh, laki na nila, oh, finger size. So that's all muna, guys. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the day. And as always, from my little world to yours. Love, love, love. Ang hirap maging vlogger. Okay, bye for now. Enjoy everyone. God bless. And happy Tuesday. It's the 9th day of June. So they're all complete. 6. I got 6. So, bahala na silang mag-survive dito sa hidden spot. Please, wag nyo naman silang anuhin. Let them fly. Fly, butterfly. Bye. Kitty, kitty.